Hello everyone, here we've taken radish and we are cutting it out into a thin long slice. As you can see, with the help of a knife, we are making cuts in the middle. We are making so many cuts and then folding it out and securing it with the help of a toothpick. And our flour is ready. Just we are detailing it by using cucumber slices which play as leaf and then placing a cherry tomato in the middle. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken an apple, cutting it from the top like this so that we can get this type of design. And then we are taking out scoops of this apple, and then you can see we get a cavity in there, filling it up with the scoops and then placing the flour we've made. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking a carrot and then we are cutting it out accordingly with a knife. After that, you can see how we are doing this, and then we are converting it into a beautiful flower with the help of a toothpick and some cucumber. Now we are folding it, placing a cherry tomato, and then we are placing cucumber working as leaves, and then it's ready. You can serve it in any salads. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a part of carrot and then we are cutting it out accordingly in zigzag pattern with the help of a sharp knife, and then we are thinly slicing it, and then we are drilling a hole in the middle and folding them out and converting it into a shape of a beautiful flower. Now we are ending it with help of a cucumber which works as our leaf, and now you can see our beautiful flowers are ready. You can serve them anywhere. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken this fruit. You can take any green vegetable. Now we are cutting it out in the zigzag pattern and slicing them accordingly in a thin shape, and then we are making some cuts on it by using a sharp knife and completing our butterfly. Let's move ahead. Here we have taken a piece of cucumber, cutting it out into thin slices and then joining them with the help of a cherry tomato and a carrot for garnishing, and then you can see our cute designer vegetables are ready. You can place it anywhere. It looks so good. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken this fruit and then we are cutting it out from the edges in a thin shape and converting it into a beautiful rose, followed by a cucumber which works as leaf in there, and then you can see it is ready. You can serve it anywhere. Thanks for watching.